Three runes. I can't make them out. This is fire, and 3 skulls.
Let me see that.
Is it a message of some kind?
It must be telling us how to defeat the island, but I've never seen this before.
I've seen something like it. The skulls are people. 3 souls burned in fire. And this triangle is the mountain. That must be the way out.
We need to get there.
It may not be safe, Jake. You don't understand what the animal spirits can do. It's not something I'd wish on anyone.
But this may also be the only way out. Let's go.